Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so glad that you're here today. We are jumping right in with some laundry motivation. I know it is the least favorite chore of many of you, so I'm here to inspire and encourage you to get it done.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, you're the traveling kind, it's a known fact, yeah, I know that.
This laundry today is my two sons. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother, but my boys are older. Over the holidays, I took a small break here from my channel just to absorb time with family and friends and just take a little bit of time for myself. My oldest son is in college and he was home for the month, and I did not want to miss a minute of his visit. And my youngest son is a senior in high school, so this is like the last break at winter he'll have before he's off at college, and things will just be different. So I did not want to take any of these precious moments for granted. So I'm doing this laundry. This is all their clothes. I wash them, I dry them, and then I lay them out, and they are responsible for getting them hung up and put away. I know this is a lot easier for me now that they're older. If you have little kids, it's not quite this streamlined, but I am the light at the end of the tunnel. You will get there. I promise you will get there. And my boys are capable of doing their laundry themselves, but I feel it is such a privilege to get to do it for them because it is for such a short time, and then they're off and I'll be sad. Okay, enough of that sappy stuff. Let's get to laundry. The key to getting your laundry done and staying on top of it is to utilize that timer on your washer and your dryer. And if you have trouble hearing it, turn it all the way up. If you still can't hear it because it's in the basement or a back part of your house, then set a timer on your phone that correlates with the timer on the washer and dryer so that you don't forget to go check on it. That's a huge tip, to just keep it going and rotating it in and out as it completes each cycle. So that's what I'm going to do here first. Then we'll fold it. Sometimes I fold the laundry on the dryer as it comes out because it's just a few things. Other times I put it on my bed and I lay it out there. If it's on my bed, I know it has to be put away before we go to bed at the end of the night. Don't allow yourself to just move it in a pile in a corner or on that treadmill that we've all resolved to use more this year as well.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
While I'm folding this load of laundry, I just want to again tell y'all how much I have missed you. Each and every one of you is a treasured friend to me. So when I was away, I was, it was like missing my best friend. I know your screen names and I look for y'all in the comments, but I'm excited to be back. I am excited to reconnect, and I have some fun but inspirational and motivational content planned, as well as just a lifestyle and things that are going on around here. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with you in the upcoming weeks and months. And if you're not already connected here, I invite you to do that. I would love for you to be a part of the Uniquely Lisa family.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your legend.
You will notice that I love to use wool dryer balls. I just leave them in my dryer even for big loads, but I love them for when I only have a few things. They help to keep the clothes from getting tangled, and they just tumble better, especially on the smaller loads. I have a fur baby named Raider, and if they accidentally get loose on the ground, he will get them. He thinks they're his balls to play with. And I actually have a short where he got one. I didn't realize it had dropped out, so you should go look for that. He's a sweetie, and it's a good thing I love him because I have had to replace dryer balls previously. So if you don't use dryer balls, I highly recommend them. You can use these in place of dryer sheets. And since I use liquid fabric softener in the washer, I don't need to put dryer sheets and additional chemicals into my clothes in the dryer as well. So that's why I love these dryer balls. You can also put a little drop of essential oils on them, but I caution you when doing this because I have had those oils transfer and leave marks on clothes. So I don't really like to do that. You can. I know a lot of people do that and it may be fine, but I have run into a difficulty there. So like I said, proceed with caution, but get you some dryer balls. You can find them at Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, Ross. They are everywhere now. You can even get them on Amazon. One of the greatest inventions and biggest laundry tip is to utilize the delayed start timer on your machine if you have it. That's what I'm setting up here. It's the end of the day. I'm going to delay start this for the next morning. By the time I wake up, I will have a load of clean clothes in the washer ready to go to the dryer. And now the next morning, since I did not empty the dryer before I went to bed, it was late, I am going to run a timed cycle just for a few minutes to fluff out the clothes that were dried yesterday so that there are no wrinkles and I can lay them out and they'll be good to go. So if you have that delayed timer or if you have a Wi-Fi washer and dryer, use it. Do not skip that feature. I love it and use it all the time.
Well, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
We are just going to stay on the grind. We are going to be flipping laundry from washer to dryer, dryer to folding it, put it away if you don't have older kids that can do that yet. That's the key, to stay on it. And there was a time when I had to do laundry every single day to stay on top of it when my boys were little, and there were a lot more messes and clothes. You know how they do. They change constantly. They have sports that has extra laundry. And so I feel you. It is a hard task to stay on top of. But if you can get some kind of routine that works with you and your family and your schedule, if your husband can help you, maybe you take every other day and it's not such a burden on just one of you, sit down, think of a plan, and come back. I am always here with laundry motivation. I have cleaning motivation, cooking, shopping, decorating, everything that is going to make homemaking and homemaking tasks as seamless as possible, but also have them filled with joy. I have a real passion for homemaking and want to share that with you here. So I hope that you have been able to get a lot of your own laundry accomplished while you watch today. Or if you are not working along with me, I hope you're motivated to go grab a load and get it started in the washer. Again, thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you down in the comments. Don't forget to leave me one there. And if you enjoyed this video, I always appreciate that thumbs up. If you need more laundry motivation, I have a ton of videos on my channel, so go check those out. I will also have videos linked here on the end screen, and I invite you to spend additional time with me there. Most of all, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.
Here together, if I could stop the time, don't you know